In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Teams and create an account on your Android device, ensuring you can stay connected and collaborate effectively. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can get started with this powerful communication tool effortlessly. First, ensure your Android device is connected to the internet and head over to the Google Play Store. This is your go-to hub for downloading apps on Android. Once you've opened the Play Store, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can type in the name of the app you're looking for. In our case, type Microsoft Teams into the search box. This search will bring up a list of potential app matches. Look through the results and tap on the one labeled Microsoft Teams. Once you have selected Microsoft Teams from the search results, you're ready to move on to the installation phase. You'll notice an Install button on the app page. Go ahead and tap on it. The Play Store will begin downloading and installing Microsoft Teams onto your device. Depending on your internet speed, this process may take a few moments. With Teams now installed, it's time to open the app and set up your account. Locate the Teams icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap to open it. When the app launches, you'll be greeted with a screen prompting you to either sign in if you already have an account or create a new one. If you're new to Microsoft services, tap on Create or use another account. Here's where you enter your existing email address. This could be Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or any other email provider you prefer. If you don't have an email address linked to Microsoft yet, you can simply tap Create Account to set up a free Microsoft account. Follow the prompts where you'll be asked to create a password and verify your identity. You might need to receive a code via SMS or email to complete this step, which is a part of Microsoft's standard security measures. After verifying your identity, go ahead and enter your personal details such as your name when prompted. Be sure to take a moment to review Microsoft's terms and conditions carefully, as you'll need to accept these to proceed. Tap Accept and you're almost done. Now, you're ready to start using Microsoft Teams. Explore the app where you can chat, hold video meetings, share documents, and collaborate with your team, friends, or family from anywhere. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Microsoft Teams and set up your account on your Android device. Great job, and I hope this video has made the process easy and straightforward for you. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.